Okay, so what I'm doing here is a Java or creating as a Restful API service. And for the last week, I've been trying to resolve some issues. I've been checking out errors on Google, Stack Overflow. No real solution as to how to actually solve it. This class here you're looking at is it's nothing more than a test class. As for as for my web XML, here I have servlet class, some parameter values, and servlet mapping. As I said, this is just test application, just to test the backend. And then I also have my Maven dependencies. Everything is set up. So we've JUnit, Jersey server, Jersey core, Jersey servlet. We have Maven build or compiler build, and when it comes to my imports, there they are. So let's just see what happens when I even attempt to run this application. And it's really just driving me crazy at the moment. Oh, did not mean to do that. Another point to note is I'm using Tomcat version 10. So run on server. Okay, so mapped URL rest. Now we shall go app. Hello. Nope. And we shall remove that. Still no. Still nothing happening. And I want to run it again because we have an issue that pops up. Okay, so run on server. Curious. Right. Right, let's just do a quick Maven clean. Ah, excellent. Now, run on server. Now, gonna try that again. And this time we shall remove app out of it. Still nothing. And here is the error I'm getting. So, com sun jersey API servlet container cannot be cast to class Jakarta servlet. I have literally spent, as I said, the last week browsing Google, Stack Overflow, all for a solution to what might fix what's going on here. But no, nothing seems to be helping me. Not a thing. And it's really driving me crazy at the moment. Yeah, we just do that for fun, but yeah, I was expecting a build failure. Still getting that error. So anyone who watches this, maybe you can help, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe even point me in the right direction.